It's Laurie at Sew Right, and today I wanted to introduce to you a concept developed by Riley Blake. It is called the Door Banner Kit of the Month. And what's nice about it is it's a small scale project that's doable and will be delivered to you on a monthly basis. And usually it's 2 months in advance from that month that actually is going to be happening, so that way it'll be prepared for your outer door, inner door, wall, or wherever you might want to place this cute little banner, okay? So let me show you what is coming up this month and what I have in stock already. I have this beautiful tulip project, and what's nice is each month a different designer has developed the pattern. So it's a very good skill building class or kit. You can do it on your own, you can do it with friends. Everything that you need to build the quilt comes in the box. Let me show you a box. They're really cute storage boxes. So what you'll find in each box, I don't want to open one up, but I'll tell you what's inside, is the pattern itself, all the fabric you need, plus more in case you make mistakes to build the quilt. And then you also have the border fabric. What is not included is the backing fabric and the actual batting. That you'll have to purchase on your own. But we have a wonderful selection of things that will go with it when that time comes. So here they have it on display in a door. This box is also cute for storage. It's got a magnetic closure, so it's easy to open and close and get to your project when you need it. Our Easter one went quite well, so that is sold out, but I have these available as well. This is a really cute June one, and this just came in the store. So as you see, it's only March. You have 2 months or so to build your June one, which is this cute, summery sunbursts and ice cream cones and popsicles and all sorts of things, all right? Makes me think of the summer. What's nice is you're not obligated to buy all 12 kits. I have enough available that you could buy it a la carte. I have a couple that are committed for all 12 months. How, may I ask, do you get one of these kits? Just call me at Sew Right, 718-468-5858. Email me at Laurie@SewRight, or just drop by the store. It would be best to pre-order so that I can make sure I can set that kit aside for you before you come, and I can make sure that I have them in stock. As I mentioned before, all our April Easter bunny kits sold out. So that made me quite happy. That means this is a very nice project that a lot of people are happy about. All right? So thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. Hope you come by and pick up a kit. Bye.